Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? So guys, there is a small twist in my trip. I think everybody know that I won't take rest. Every day I will travel every place, every corner. So daily approximately I will walk almost 5 to 10 kilometers on mountains, deserts, snow places. Because when I'm going for traveling, I'll explore every place. You know what happened, guys? It's been almost from 2 days. I didn't even sleep properly because of pain. Hell of pain in my, food. So it is like swelling like anything, and I don't know what's going. Like I'm unable to change my bike gears. Also, I'm unable to walk. So I thought to once consult with the doctor, and because it's seriously I can't even sleep from 2 days. I can't even move my legs, and it's really horrible, guys. So I thought to consult the doctor, because again if I put more pressure on these legs again I can't walk. So right now I'm in Agra. So in Agra there is a Rainbow Hospital. It's a very famous hospital. So I thought to check with these doctors. Seriously, I can't walk, guys.
Even fingers and only front part, the toes part.
Okay. This tablet thrice in a day.
Okay.
Okay, for 2 days.
Okay.
This tablet one is in a day into 15 days.
Okay.
Or this tablet one in a day empty stomach early in the morning for 2 days. Okay.
So because of more and walking.
More and walking. Just you want to just take rest
Rest.
at least 1 day or 2 days.
Okay. I'll take 2 days rest. Then.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. Where should I pay money and all?
Go to reception.
So it's because of continuously almost 20 kilometers in a day I walked. 20 kilometers. That too I'll tell you on. Because when I was in Kashmir, I bought waterproof socks, woolen socks. You know what will happen if you wear that socks? Your legs, it will it will squeeze your legs. So with that socks, I was almost in Triambakeshwar temple. 14 floors, guys. 14 floors continuously. I was walking. Again from there I went to Ram Ghat. Again Lakshman Ghat. Again what is that? I forgot the name. Haridwar. Almost all these places in one day. Almost 20 kilometers continuously without shoes. I was walking with those woolen socks, so my legs are now I can't even move. Seriously, so doctor suggests me to take rest at least 2 to 3 days. So I don't want to go out because I can't even walk properly. So I'll take rest 2 to 3 days. So I can't make any videos. That too I'm in Agra, no. So Taj Mahal, if I want to cover again, I have to walk 5 to 6 kilometers. If I walk little bit only, again my legs are swelling like anything. So I thought to take rest. So today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 3 days. So just want to tell you guys, because again if every day I used to post, I used to make videos, right? So if I'm not making videos, people again they'll worry and they'll text, so that's why I thought to tell you guys. So just 2 to 3 days I have to take rest. I don't have any other options. Otherwise it will be more. I can't even walk. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.